we have the light. You can take the light from this one, like this one. This is what we call this thermostat. This thermostat is almost this one. We will connect it in series with this switch. The switch is here. Here is the switch. You can check the functionality of your switch. Maybe the switch is connected with this line and this line. Now the switch has no continuity, so we have to change the status of the switch. Here it is normal. So the switch part is normal, it is functional. Our second activity is in surrounding this, so you can disconnect this one, and also you can disconnect this one. This light is almost in parallel with the heating element. With the heating element means this one. It is connected in parallel with the heating element, means it will get the power from here and from this. So this is such part. Therefore, normality with continuity, but this is open because this space is unconnected. This space is unconnected. It will be connected when the base will connected with its means by means of electric power supply. It will be connected or become full or short circuit. So now it is open. If you wanted to test, you can make short this one. For this being, but you have to check this one. One of these must be connected with this one. This is also almost, this line is phase line. If this is phase, it is phase line. And the second one will be connected with this one. Maybe this is isolated from that one, but this is connected with this one. So this is if this is phase, this will be neutral, or vice versa. So it is normal now. When it will get this one, it will be connected with such one like this one, or it will become full circuit. The other one is this one. It is the heating element is this one. So we have to check the heating element's resistance. Almost the heating element must be read some resistance values, almost by using another normal types of thermostats. So when you dismantle and assembly, you have to using this one, or by using long nose. Okay, this is all about that. So we are going to assemble. That is the third part of our videos. Thank you.